In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Mount Airy Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Mount Airy. Bible knowledge, what was the name of the heroic queen who saved Mordecai and the Jews?
Queen Esther.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Excelsior, what was the name of the spokesman for the Jewish leader Moses?
Aaron.
Correct. Science. Mount Airy, what, together with the spinal cord, comprises the central nervous system in the human body?
The brain.
Correct. Science. Excelsior, what is the name given to the biggest part of the human brain?
Cerebrum.
Correct. International affairs is a visual question. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Panama.
Correct. International affairs is a visual question. Excelsior, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
El Salvador.
Correcto. English language. Mount Airy, spell righteousness.
Richenous.
Incorrect. Righteousness. English language. Excelsior, spell covetous. Covetous.
Covetous.
Incorrect. Covetous. Television, a visual question for you, Mount Airy. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Beast Boy.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Excelsior, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Charlie Brown.
Correct. Social studies. Mount Airy, the former parish of St. John, has become a part of which parish in Jamaica?
St. Catherine.
That's right. Social studies. Excelsior, Trelawney was the name of a new parish in 1770 and it was formed out of the eastern part of which other parish in Jamaica?
Westmoreland.
Incorrect. St. James. Mount Airy, music, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this late artist.
Ray Charles.
Correct. Excelsior, music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this late singer.
Tasha Cobbs.
Incorrect. Aretha Franklin. Mount Airy, mathematics, what is the sum of 45.87 and 78.95?
One to 4.82.
That's correct. Mathematics. Excelsior, what is the sum of 65.46 and 59.77?
$125.23.
Correct. Sports. Visual question. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Brian Neville.
Incorrect. Omar McLeod, Jamaican Olympian. Sports, a visual question. Excelsior, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sharika Jackson.
Incorrect. Elaine Thompson Hira, Jamaican Olympian. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Excelsior on 5 and Mount Airy on 7. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Be attentive in class. Participate and ask questions. This will help your growth as a good student. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.